Hi, my name is Brandon Tugmon. I'm the Assistant Director of Transportation for Penn-Harris-Madison Schools, and we're going to discuss some of the steps that we're taking to keep the students safe as we return to school. All drivers and students will be required to wear a mask at all times. If a student does show up to a bus stop without a mask, a driver will provide one for them. As students board the bus, they will be seated from back to front to avoid contact with all other students on the bus. While students are on the bus, we are also going to attempt to ventilate the buses as much as possible, leaving windows down to create airflow and air circulation in order to keep the students as safe as possible. Also, we will not be allowing any food or drink on the bus as to limit the potential exposure that situation would provide. Students will remain seated for the duration of the route with their masks on the entire time. In the past, we have allowed students to have a guest ride home with them or even to school with them in the mornings. We will not be allowing that anymore, as all students will only be allowed to ride their bus for the duration of the school year. Once the route is over and once we arrive at school, students will be dismissed and staggered as they leave the bus in order to limit the amount of exposure with other students. Once students have left the bus driver will then disinfect the entire bus, so that when the students get on for the next route, the bus has already been disinfected and cleaned for their route as well. Here at PHM, the safety and security of our students is a very high priority. These are some of the steps that we are taking to ensure that takes place this school year.